Hi, I'm Heather Tachna and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today we're going to make a really simple tuna salad. The beauty of tuna salad is you can put whatever you want in it. So we like to make ours with a crunchy ingredient of some kind. Lots of people use celery, lots of people use apples. We really like peppers and kohlrabi. So I'll get more to the kohlrabi here in a minute. So what I've got here is two 7-ounce containers of mixed tuna. So it's the dark tuna. You can also do the all white tuna, that's fine. Make sure you squeeze out all of the water so it's not all juicy. And then I have it's like a 1/4 cup of chopped kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is known as a German turnip, but it's not a turnip. It doesn't grow below the ground, it actually grows above the ground, and it's part of the cabbage family. But it's really crispy and it kind of tastes like a turnip. There's a picture of it actually, so take a look at the picture. But it grows above ground and we grow it every year in our garden. So that's about a 1/4 cup of peppers. This is about a 1/4 cup of onions. And again, if you don't like onions, you don't have to put onions in it. I have 2 boiled eggs chopped up. And then usually what I do is about 1 big tablespoon of mayonnaise per can of tuna. So this is about 2 big tablespoons of mayonnaise, heaping. And then this is about a tablespoon of mustard, maybe. And again, you don't have to put mustard in it either. Lots of people just, again, it's the beauty of making it however you want it. So I mix it up before I add in any salt or pepper. Me and Mark and Willow all really like eating tuna fish, so I like to eat it with cheese melted on top of it with crackers. Mark loves to have tuna fish sandwiches. It's good just to eat directly out of the bowl too, plain. It's really good with crackers and tomatoes. I've got a little plate here for it. That looks awesome. So this looks really, really good. Nice moisture. Then I put in some pepper. And we like celery salt, so I'm going to put in some celery salt. You can also put in crushed red pepper. That can give it a little flavor as well. All right, let me try it. It's actually perfect. That never happens. That's really, really good. So I'm just going to put a little scoop here on a plate. It's really good with tomatoes on the side. And I'm going to have myself a little lunch. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. Have a great day.